When it comes to microbiome, we generally hear things such as good microbes or bad microbes, and most of the gut microbiome testing companies may tell you that you have these good microbes, these bad microbes, and structure a nutrition program based on this categorization of microbes into good or bad. But the reality is that there is nothing called as good microbes or bad microbes. It all depends upon the environment you are exposed to. Same bacteria in one individual may be producing good things, and in another individual it may be triggering inflammation, right? And the various factors that influence this environment is the food you eat, the antibiotics you consume, the supplements you consume, your sleeping schedules, your workout schedules, the people you hang out with. All these factors directly impact how your microbes behave inside your body, right? And I'm going to explain this with the help of two examples. There's one bacteria called Akkermansia muciniphila, right? This bacteria perform beneficial functions provided you are consuming a lot of fiber, and it produces butyrate, which is actually very important to regulate your satiety, regulate your blood sugar level. However, when you're consuming very less carbohydrates or you're on long fasting, this microbe may actually resort to eating your mucin and along your gut lining, and then you have leaky gut, and this leads to onset of autoimmune disorders such as multiple sclerosis, right? Similarly, second bacteria called E. coli. E. coli actually plays a very important role in synthesis of vitamin B12 and vitamin K2. However, the same bacteria could express a virulence gene that could code for a particular protein that may lead to production of lipopolysaccharides, LPS, which may cause type 2 diabetes and cardiovascular diseases. So you really need to focus on what your microbes are doing based on the environment they are exposed to, rather than just categorizing them as good or bad, right? So this is a very, very flawed approach of understanding your microbiome community living in your gut, living in your mouth. So ask the right questions. When you're going for a gut microbiome test, ask whether you're telling which bacteria is there or actually what functions they are performing.